Alright everybody, after putting the battery, I'm gonna try, well, I'm not gonna try, but I'm gonna go and take this thing for a test drive. I've been driven for a couple of months because of the pandemic and we're not allowed to go anywhere. So really I'm not allowed to go anywhere, but this time I'm just gonna go around the base and come back to make sure that the bike runs well. I parked my motorcycle in the back of my house, so I have to drive through the lawn outside and before I can get to the street to drive away. This right here is base housing in Okinawa. Hey, look at my Jeep back there. Oh, by the way guys, I don't have my audio hooked up, so I had to record on top of this video afterwards. When I came home, I checked the footage and the footage was very noisy with the wind because my GoPro was not hooked up to an external mic, so that's what happens. But figured out how to vlog, so share with you a couple of things today while I'm driving around. Again, I'm currently in Okinawa, Japan, and this day right here is very clear skies and beautiful. However, it's muggy here in Okinawa and it's in the middle of August, so the mugginess is probably like at 100%, so very hot. During the hot summer months, I don't wear my thick jacket, so I wear this jacket right here that's very thin, but it has padding on what I believe on the right places, just in case I take a spill, then you know I can brace and those pads will hit the ground first before my skin does. Of course, the goal ultimately is not to lay the bike down, that's for sure. There's a pretty nice stretch over here on this road coming out of the gate from the base, and you know, just taking it easy riding down the road here. Guys, I enjoy this small size of a motorcycle. Just to give you an idea, I'm 6 feet tall and about 216 pounds weight wise. I don't really think that I feel that I'm bigger than this motorcycle. It's an enjoyable ride. I love it. It has power, enough power to get me from point A to point B pretty much, and just enjoy it. Okay guys, back on the road. As you can see through my GoPro here, I had to switch it from my windshield back to my helmet so you can see in front of me. But this is Japan, and if you're not from Japan, you know, as you can see, I drive on the left side of the road, as opposed to on the right side of the road back in the United States. You get used to this. Most of us have gotten used to this because I've been here for years. I'm actually sometimes confused, or it takes me a little bit of while to adjust when I get back to the United States and drive there, because I've been driving on the left side of the road for a long time. So check this out. This upcoming intersection right here has a used car sales on the left side. You'll see it when I'm ready to stop, and I'll point it out to you. red lights coming up. Take a look at on the left side here. You see those cars? Lots of Japanese cars, fast cars, like Nissan R34s. And I've seen those there being sold on that used car place. I think that's a Mazda over there, sitting over there, and an MR3 or an MR2. Very nice place. Guys, if you are not from Japan, or if this first time you're driving here, you have to get used to the rules of the road. Here, if you're on the left side of this street right here and you're turning left, you are not allowed to turn left or right if the light is red. If the light is red, everybody stops. Nobody goes. Here, I will yield to the oncoming traffic on the green, just like in the United States. You know what's weird is when I was in Korea, you can turn left or right on a red, but not on if there's no arrow on the right. I don't know if you're getting that, but it's kind of weird. Weird being overseas and driving around. Here I'm just going through Uruma, like a city here in Uruma, and this is I think the Highway 8 or Route 8. It's a big loop that goes around the base, my area. Okay guys, I'm just gonna get off the mic for now and let you enjoy the rest of the video. This is nothing but me just test driving the CB400 after I changed the battery. So enjoy the rest of the video, enjoy the rest of the ride. If you're a rider, be safe out there, and I will talk to you soon.